channel My Must Kitchen once again. Friends, today I am going to share a very simple 3 snack recipes with you. These are almost no cooking snacks, very healthy as well as tasty. I have used grated coconut to prepare these snacks. So let's move to My Must Kitchen to prepare simple snacks.
To prepare this, first of all we need to take out coconut pieces from the coconut shell. We should use a pointed knife to do the procedure. Do this very slowly and carefully. Now peel off the brown layer from the coconut pieces. Now we will grind the coconut pieces in a grinding jar. We will add ground coconut to puffed rice. Now see, ground coconut is ready. Adding about 2 tablespoons ground coconut to approximately 50 gram puffed rice. To this adding 1 tablespoon jaggery powder. Let's combine all together. And now the snack is ready to eat. You can prepare and consume any time in a day whenever you feel hungry. This snack is healthy as well as very tasty. Combine the ratio of puffed rice, coconut and jaggery according to your taste. Now for the second snack recipe, first of all we have to prepare whole wheat chapati. To this add about half a teaspoon of ghee and spread all over. To this add about 2 teaspoons of ground coconut. Let's spread it properly. To this add about 1 spoon of jaggery powder and spread it over the ground coconut like this. Now roll the chapati and this snack is also ready to eat. Friends, trust me, ghee, coconut and jaggery, this combination tastes heavenly. You must try and write the feedback in the comment box. Now we'll prepare a salty snack. For this we will require half of a cucumber, 2 tablespoons coriander leaves, half inch ginger, 1 green chili and half of a lemon. Peel the cucumber and chop finely. Chop the ginger also very finely. Same way we will chop coriander leaves and green chili. Take a bowl. Add about 1 cup of puffed rice to it. To this add chopped cucumber. Add finely chopped ginger, coriander leaves, and green chili. At last we will add 2 tablespoons of ground coconut to this. Squeeze the lemon juice to this. Combine all these things very well. Now add 1/4 teaspoon Himalayan pink salt to this and 1/4 teaspoon cumin powder. If you add freshly roasted and ground cumin, that will taste better. Now mix well. And this savory snack is also ready to eat. So friends, these were my recipes. You must try this in your kitchen. If you like it, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to press bell icon. Thank you very much for visiting my Mast Kitchen.